Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and today I am doing a matte eye look, and I've already primed my eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and going in with the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to use this shade here, and it is called the Supreme, and I'm just going to prime my eyes. Next, I'm going in with the yellow shade, which is called Brick Road, and I'm going to add that all over my lid. And next I'm going in with the shadow brush just to pack on the color just a little bit more. I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I received this free with it's my Ray Ray palette, and I actually like this liner. It is very nice. Doing it all matte eye look in yellow is very difficult because yellows are very hard to produce, and being of a deeper skin tone, it's very hard for the yellow to show, but this yellow is very bright and bold and pigmented. So for face, I'm using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to add that all over where I have pores. And I do let this soak into my skin. I don't just go right in with foundation. I do let it sit for a little while. And I also added my lashes off camera. These are Koutored Lashes in the style Kindred. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. For concealer, I'm using my Juvias Place concealer in shade number 13. And I've been testing this concealer out a lot. I mean, I've been trying to use it with different foundations, with different setting powders, as I will be today. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I just want to see how it sets that concealer because I kind of like it with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So I just want to see how I like it with the Sacha Buttercup, and actually I don't like it with the Sacha Buttercup. So I went ahead and set the rest of my face with my Sephora Mica Smooth setting powder. And then I also contoured out my cheeks and nose. And for my nose, I used the shade Bricky, this one here. And then for my cheeks, I used the shade Bobby. And for blush, I used this Juvia's Place Saharan 1 palette. And I used this pinky shade called Zane. So I'm going in with this Cheers to Beauty palette and by Colored Raine, and I'm going to use this gold shade here. I just wanted to add a little bit of shimmer to my eye. It was just, the matte look was just looking a little bit too much for me. So I'm adding some shimmer. And then I'm going back in with that same blush palette, and I'm going to use that highlighter. And for lips, I'm using my ColourPop and Makeup Shayla BFF4, and for my liquid lip, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ashton. And that is it. That is the final look. I hope that you have enjoyed. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.